Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass BitLocker blue screen recovery in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you're facing this issue, I'm going to show you a set of instruction, or basically you can say that a set of solution which will work definitely for you. But if it doesn't work, then you have one solution, that is to reset your laptop or Windows PC, right? So first of all, we will do suspend BitLocker protection and resume it, right? So what you have to do, basically, as you can see here, start your Windows computer, right? And here enter the BitLocker recovery key. When seeing the BitLocker recovery screen, once Windows operating system is started, go to the start, then just go to the control panel. It's very easy to find the control panel. You can just search for here in the search bar if you're using Windows 10 or 11, right? Then here inside the control panel, just go to the BitLocker drive encryption. Right, click suspend protection option next to the C drive, or click turn off BitLocker or disable BitLocker drive encryption on C drive. Right, so after that, what will happen? A dialog box will open asking, do you want to suspend BitLocker protection? You have to just tap on yes, and then you will just get your solution, right? Click change password to reset the invalid BitLocker password and restart your computer or laptop, and then it's worked perfectly fine. Now the second solution which I'm going to show you, remove the protectors from the boot drive. Well, if you're facing, most of these user face only this kind of issues, so it will definitely work for it. So you have to open the BitLocker recovery blue screen. Now here you have to press escape in your keyboard, right, which is on the top left side corner, right from the BitLocker recovery option, and here you will find enter the recovery key for the drive. So here you have to do nothing, you have to just press on the skip, right? As you can see here in the bottom right side corner, skip this drive, and on the next screen select troubleshoot. On the troubleshoot, select advanced option. On the advanced option, select command promote, right? And here from the WinRe, basically the Windows recovery, command promote, manually type this command below to unlock this drive and password, press enter. Here you need to replace password in the command to your BitLocker. So as you can see here, you have to just copy this, right? And you have to just paste it and just press the enter. Type the following command, then you have to just, you have to just copy and paste it over there, and then it will work perfectly fine. It will get removed, right? So this is the two solution which is basically helpful, 99% chances that you will able to bypass BitLocker blue screen recovery in Windows 10, 11 PC or laptop. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.